Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we make your self-care smarter, not harder. If you've ever struggled with keeping your teeth genuinely clean beyond just brushing, today's spotlight might just solve that problem for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip to elevate your beauty and wellness routine. We're looking at a duo that promises to take your oral care to the next level. The Waterpik Cordless Slide Professional Water Flosser, which is portable and collapsible for travel, and the Sensonic Sonic Electric Toothbrush for adults with 3 personalized modes. Both are ADA accepted, which already sets a high bar for performance and safety. Starting with the Water Flosser, this compact, handheld device is designed to fit into small spaces and fold down for easy travel. Its rechargeable lithium-ion battery is impressive, delivering up to 4 weeks of use from a single charge. You can charge it via USB-C to USB-A using a laptop, car, or wall adapter, though the adapter isn't included. It comes with 4 tips, 3 pressure settings ranging from 50 to 80 psi, and a 6-ounce removable reservoir that's dishwasher safe. Flossing takes only about 45 seconds, and the whole unit is quiet enough to use without disturbing anyone else. The travel bag and global voltage feature make it convenient for jet setters or anyone short on bathroom counter space. The Sensonic Sonic Electric Toothbrush complements the flosser with 3 brushing modes: clean for daily use, stain removal for surface stains, and gum care for gentle stimulation. It's clinically shown to remove up to 4 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush, particularly in hard-to-reach areas, helping to reduce gingivitis, cavities, and bad breath. Using these together felt seamless. The water flosser is light, ergonomic, and easy to maneuver. I tested it in both morning and evening routines, and it quickly became clear how much more effective water flossing can be for removing debris between teeth. The electric toothbrush glides smoothly over teeth and gums, and switching between modes is simple. The clean mode is excellent for a quick daily routine. Stain removal adds a noticeable brightness after a few uses, and gum care leaves your gums feeling invigorated but not irritated. One small downside: the water reservoir is compact, so refilling during longer sessions can be a minor inconvenience. Here's the breakdown. Pros: portable, travel-friendly design, ADA accepted and dentist recommended, long battery life, quiet operation, effective plaque removal, customizable brushing modes, easy to clean and maintain. Cons: reservoir may need refilling during extended use. Travel bag is a bit snug if you have other items to pack. Adapter not included for charging. In terms of value, this duo is worth considering if you prioritize oral health and convenience. While the price might feel premium, you're paying for clinically backed effectiveness, long-lasting battery life, and dual functionality. Water flossing plus electric brushing, which together create a superior at-home oral care experience. Compared to standalone flossers or toothbrushes, this set offers better versatility and portability, making it ideal for frequent travelers or anyone looking to consolidate their dental tools. The build quality is solid. Both units feel sturdy yet lightweight, with easy-to-clean surfaces. The water flosser's foldable design doesn't compromise durability, and the toothbrush maintains performance even after multiple charges. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, Waterpik has a strong reputation for responsiveness, and their products are generally reliable, with replacements and tips easily available if needed. For alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, basic cordless flossers and standard sonic toothbrushes exist, but they often compromise on battery longevity, portability, or the number of brushing modes. This set is truly a comprehensive, high-performance option for anyone serious about oral care. In the end, this duo is a standout for anyone seeking a travel-friendly, efficient, and clinically backed oral care solution. It's best suited for adults who want to elevate their daily routine with both water flossing and advanced brushing technology. If dental hygiene is a priority, this is a set that delivers on its promises without unnecessary frills. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to grab this set is in the comments below. If you've already tried it, drop a comment and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.